Hi, everyone. Welcome back to a lesson with Joey on content creation. And we're going to continue our lesson with content AI writing with how to make a blog, which I know everybody always hears how you should have a blog on your website, and everyone's always pushing you have blog, SEO, SEO. It's hard, right? Writing is difficult. So it's nice to have something that will help you do it. And all you really have to do is plug in all of that research. So we're going to just go through how it works with Copy AI and how it can help you write a blog in the two ways that I like to do it. So I'm going to move myself out of the way. We're going to open up the My Projects tab, right, which is where we are. We're going to open up a new project. I'm going to call it How to Make a Blog. And then I'm going to move myself a little further up so I can see the chat box. And in the chat box, we're going to talk about that. As you know, I like to do voice to text, so that's what we're going to do. In voice to text, I'm going to say, oops, it's already typing. Here we go. Write a blog about how good it feels to share information that can help people overcome the adversities of content creation and how AI is helping do that by increasing productivity and the quality of your work. Also include how they can find out more about AI and content creation management and going viral, whether through organic or ads, by visiting my website at www.joeysuarez.com. Awful. So there we are. I set it into my phone. Now I'm going to copy paste it into the prompt and I'm going to see what we get. I did not spell check anything. It could have heard me completely wrong, but we'll see. We'll see. And as you know, if you put in a link, it will go through your website. I did include my website, and my website actually has quite a number of information. So I'm curious to see what it probably got way confused by what I just said. So here's a good example of when a prompt is not direct enough, right? Write a blog about how good it feels to share information content creation. So here I'm finding it says by visiting. I believe the computer thinks I'm telling it to visit. So what I need to do is put ads, use my website as a reference link for information about my classes. So let's see if that solves whatever command issue it was causing. No. I'm failing. Write a blog post about I need to be more literal, about content creation and how good it feels for me to share that information. Oops, that's not where that goes. With my students. Talk about how let's see if that solves it. Wow. So this is not working as well as I would hope. I haven't tried writing blogs with this yet, so this is a good in the moment figuring it out what might be the issue. But as you know, they have templates for this. So why don't we just delete this, right? Because it's not working for me this way. And I'm going to go see if I can find a template. We'll go here, type blog. Ooh, blog post. Cool. So let's see if we use this prompt a little more how they intend it. And then make sure to focus on key points. I don't know what that was doing. Focus on. Let's see. Splitting information so it knows what to focus on. And let's see if that makes it confused again. It might be my website that's making it confused. Oh, there we go. So the prompt is better. Obviously, the way I was trying to put it in wasn't working. So that's a good reason to start using the prompts. And let's see what it came up with. It says content creation, it can be a daunting task, especially when you're just starting out. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by sheer amount of work, and it goes into creating content that's both engaging and informative. That's why I feel so good about sharing my knowledge with my students. By teaching others ins and outs of content creation, I'm helping them overcome the adversities that come with the process. I'm giving them the tools they need to create content. Cool. This it's generic, but it's not necessarily wrong. These are the things I am doing. These are things I want to do. And it's true. AI has revolutionized the way that content creation has gone down, as you're experiencing right now. This is insane how you can come up with something so simple. Now, as always, I'll always tell you to create a doc, create a new doc, save your prompts. If you don't save your prompts, you're never going to remember how you were able to make something, and then you're going to begin to look like you don't know how to do it again. Mostly because you don't. Copy the article, put it in here. Boom, done. Now you have this set aside. I need to call this something. I usually call this a lesson. So I'm going to call this lesson, example, how to write a blog. Now it stays organized for me because I would go insane, be like, what is this? So that is how I keep track of all the information. And then once it's in here, as you know, I'll always use Grammarly to go through things and make sure that the AI, which isn't a trained AI for punctuation and all that kind of stuff, is doing its job. While Grammarly is an AI that's trained to do that, these things can work together to make your content writing the best it could possibly be. So I hope this helps you understand better ways to write blogs. I really appreciate you watching these videos. If you'd like to learn more about this process, just continue to watch my videos or visit my website. Thank you so much, and I hope you're having a wonderful day.